Hello friends, again welcome. Today we are going to start our lesson number 3, that how to find the support and resistance using the GAN formula. In a GAN formula, you can use the all the things support and resistance by a method. Now, what's the method? We see square root of a number plus n factor means let's suppose the number is 100. Okay, so first of all make a square root, so that is equal to 10. Then n factor. Now what is the n factor? So n factor is a degree. Like 180 degree equal to 1, 90 degree equal to 0.5 and 45 degree equal to 0.25. So 0.75 would be 135 degree and so on. So if root 100 is equal to 10, then 10 plus 0.25, if I am making it plus, then it would be a resistance. If I am making it minus, then it would be the support. So 10 plus 0.25 is 10.25, whole square of 10.25. So whatever would be the answer, you can use with the help of a calculator. See, here is the calculator. So if we will go 10.25 square, it's 105.06. So if I would say 105.06 और ये है 100, सो 100 का जो रेजिस्टेंस होगा वो 105 होगा. अब let us take an example with GAN square of 9 और GANzilla में करते हैं. So basically GAN square of 9 कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is moving in clockwise direction. ठीक है. और अगर if you are able to understand, ये एक लाइन है, ये एक लाइन है, ये एक लाइन है और ये एक लाइन है, ये मेन basically highlighted. So if this is your center point, then this angle is your 90 degree, ये 45 डिग्री, ये 135 डिग्री और ये पूरा 180 डिग्री. इस तरीके के एंगल्स हैं. नाउ let us take any of the random number. Let's take I'm taking 145. Okay, I'm just taking any random number and let us see. I'm taking this number 145. So as per our formula, let us see how it works. So 145 under root, what is that? 12.014. इसमें से let us see minus 0.25. What is the answer? 11.79 square root. So 139.04. Now see, here you would get the exact support over here 139. So if this would be your 0 degree, then this would be your 45 degree and this would be your 90 degree. Let us see, 145 था, तो again 0, 145 square root minus 0.5 square, 133.20. Now see the number here, 133. Same condition, this would be 135. See, this is 45, this is 90, this is 135 and this is 121 would be 180 degree. Now see, this is the straight line. then 121, then 116, then 111, then 106, and then 101. So after completing a whole circle, it has came at 101, that is a 360 degree. So I'm trying to tell you, but what will happen that now see the number is like so simple, 106, 111, 116, you know, the maximum number what we are getting here is 529. But what if the number would exceed, let's suppose here is 529 number, 528 29 number. What if the number would be, let's suppose 8,000, 9,000? There are the stocks which has the prices of 8,000 rupees, 9,000 rupees, 12,000 rupees. Our nifty, it's running at around 22,000, 23,000. So how we will go with these big numbers? So before going these big numbers, let us take an example of any three digit number. And any three digit number, let's take an example of a good stock is ITC. So let us take an example of ITC. This is a daily candle. Okay, reset, let us reset it. Okay, now currently the ITC today's date is 3rd of March 2025. We will not take right now, because right now you can conclude it like this one be the top, and you can conclude it that how it works. But before that, I want to show you the past points. ITC is a very good stock. So you can take any high point and any low point as per your comfort, any substantial high, any substantial low. So I am taking about this one, that this is a good high, or you can take this one also, this high also, or you can take this high also, or मतलब anything ऐसा नहीं है कि आप यही लेना है या इसी को ही लेना है ना, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो, यू कैन टेक दिस वन ऑल्सो, है ना. आप ये वाला भी हाई ले सकते हो 266, आप ये वाला भी ले सकते हो, आप करंट वाला भी ले सकते हो जो अब है. What my basic intention is to make you understand that how this support and level calculated, and which support and which level are important. So let us take this one. So 266.50 is your high. So 266.50.50. Okay. So this is our high point. Now again, let us take an example of here 266.50 square root minus 0.25 as 45 degree, 16 square 258.40. Now mark the level 258.40. Okay, this one is your 45 degree angle. Now again let us mark 90 degree. Again 266.5 under root minus 0.5 square root 250.42. Okay, so 250.42. Okay, check. Almost here. Okay, next 266.5 minus 0.75 square. Oh shit, I sorry, I made a mistake. 66.5 root minus 0.75 equal to square 242.57. 42.57. Now you need to understand this very well. This is your 0 degree, this is your 45 degree. Once it broke 45 degree, it went to 90 degree. Again from 90 to 45 it came and it went to 135 almost. Right. So these are acting as an support and resistance. So you can apply it in Nifty or Bank Nifty or anything else. But for application of the Nifty and Bank Nifty, those are the bigger number. So how you will act in that way? So let us take an example of Nifty. If you would see about Nifty, okay. Uh, these are the chart that currently I have drawn it for myself. So see, this one is the top, this one is your 45 degree angle, this one is your 90 degree angle. It went from 90 to above angle and again it fell down. Again it retested on the 90 degree angle and it just went down. So it's 22,020 right now Nifty. I'm expecting this. Let us see what will happen. Let us see. I won't make any recommendations or something like that. This course is for learning. I'm not at all recommending anything, any part of this thing to you all. Let us take an example over here, because that was a previous one. Let us take an example over here. Let's suppose the high point is 1 triple eight 7.60. So let's mark it 1 triple eight. What's that? To be precise, 1 triple eight 7.60. Okay, so 1 triple eight 7.60, 1 triple eight 7.60. Okay, fine. This one is our highest point. Now what we have to do, it is very difficult for us to take the um, number over here like 18,000. How can we do that? We have to increase it. Like from here it's a 12, so increase it 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have to increase, and it is very much difficult for us. For small numbers, yes, till 625, if there would be a number, then you can easily make an angle over here. Let's suppose you have 329 number, so you can easily find out the 45 degree, and after finding out the 45 degree you can put on the vectors over here, that I'll tell you later, like how to use the vectors and all. So now what we have 1 triple eight 7.60. So what we have to do, open up the calculator. First of all, make the 5-digit number to 3-digit number. So 1 triple eight 7.60 divided by 100. Now you got the 3-digit number. Now again the same procedure will be happen. Square root minus 0.25, that is n factor, that is 45 degree, and again square and multiply it by 100 to make it 5-digit number. So what is the number? 18206. Now you need to understand this. 18206. 18206. Okay. Hasn't it making a very good combination? See, one time resist, two time resist, third time it broke and it boom. So is it a correct number? Now see, understand, we have convert 5-digit to 3-digit number. If we are converting the number in small digit, then the difference between 0 degree and 45 degree would be huge, large. If the number are bigger, the difference will be lower. So in Nifty, is Nifty volatile or is Nifty a normal range bound? So right now we have made a 3-digit number. Let us make it for a 4-digit number, and then we will see like how it works. So 4-digit number 1,888,7.60. So 1,888,7.60 divided by 10. Do not divide it by 100, because dividing it by 100 gives out 3-digit number. So we need 4-digit number. So 1,888.76 under root minus 0.25 squared 1867.09. Now see, 1867.09, 1867, sorry, what's the number? 1867.09. So multiply it by 10 to make the number. So 18670, 18670. Now see precisely, and I'll change the color so that you would be able to understand. Like, this is the support for 4-digit number, and this is the support for 3-digit number. Again we will take again one more 4-digit number, that is again 1,888,7.60 divided by 10. You got the 4-digit number minus 0.5 and square. Oh sorry, again I made a mistake, I'm so sorry. 1,888,7.60 divided it by 10, so that it made a 4-digit number. Under root of it minus 0.5 equal to square root 18455. So now my next number is 18455. 18455. Now see, you are getting the exact supports and exact resistances. It went from 0 to 45. It closes below 45. So next target would be 90. When it rebounced, it went till here. When it moves down, same condition. If you would see this chart 45, 90, then it came down and again it moved up. This is your current chart, 27 September 2024. It moved below 45, precisely touched. See, what's the low? The low is 24,694.35. And our level is 24,681. So we can go for scalps like here, but that's not our topic. Our lesson is to understand the support and resistance. So hope so you would be able to understand the support and resistance of the particular stocks. So you can more and more you can go for a practice, and you can also use a vectors for it. Let's suppose I am getting 329 as in price. So 329, how I would consider 329 square root 18.13. minus 0.25 equal to square root. So 319.99. Okay. So where is 319.99? You have to see 319.99, or it is between 319 or 320, correct? So how we can find it without actual the calculation, by just drawing the lines. So for this method you have to use the figures. Now what kind of figures you can use? The figures you can use are vectors. Now see, here are the vectors. I have already put up 45 degree, 90 degree, but I'll cancel this. See, here is 45, 90, 1112 I don't want. 135 is okay. Okay. 225 is also okay. 270 is also okay. Okay. These are okay. Now see, 0 degree and 360 degree are always inbuilt. So now what I'll do, I'll just make it minus. Now this is 90, this is 45. See, this is your 0 degree. So what you have to do, what is your number? Your number is 329. So make the 0 degree over here at 329. Okay, you made a 0 degree. Fine. You made a 0 degree at 329. So see, 45 degrees 319 to 320. That's what we have calculated. Same way, 90 degrees 311. 135 degree is 301. 293. 283 and 84. And there must be some points. 277, 76. 268, 67. And then again 261, 260. So this, it will complete one 360 degree circle as an support. For resistances, obviously 329. Then the next resistance would be 337. Then again, if you would go, then 347 and 48. You can calculate it manually, no worries. 355. Then 365 and 66, both we can consider, because it's a median kind of line. 374, yes. And after that, yes, 386 and 385, both I can consider. Here I can consider here 393 also, 394 and 395. These three numbers might be reversal number. And again here 405 and 406 and 407, I'll consider these three numbers. So see, these are the support and resistance of this particular stock. So every stock runs according to a cycle. And in last two lessons, what I have tried you to heliocentric, geocentric, the positional of planet. See, everything is lies here, but step by step we are trying to complete the topics. Okay, have a great day, have a great fun, and please do practice it for each and every stock at least 20 times, 40 times. And you have to mark the chart in advance. You mark the chart for an yearly basis or weekly basis, whatever you want. Thank you. Have a great time. Have a great knowledge. Bye.